Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to actually crop images into a shape in Canva. Now it's a very easy process and you'll end up like this. So you get a normal picture like so, and you can put it inside a shape as you see in my Canva. Now I'm going to delete these two. Now what I'm going to do is I have this picture right here. I'm going to Elements and here I type in Frame. Now what this will give me, it will give me all kinds of different shapes to choose from, as you can see right here. Now let's say I want this frame. Now all I have to do is drag this frame inside here, drag the picture inside the frame, and that should be it. Now if you want to have a different alignment, simply double click it and then you can drag it around, and that should be it. Now, if you still get any other questions regarding this tutorial, or if this tutorial has helped you, please leave it in the comments down below, leave a like and subscribe. This helps me out a lot, and thanks for watching.